Hey traders, welcome back. As you can see here, we are on the silver chart or XAGUSD chart, and after the price touched this resistance here in lower time frames, like 15-minute time frame, it touched that level and started falling, okay, too much. And right now we had actually support. It is actually a support which was a resistance for the price, and when it breaks it to the upside and makes it pull back to this level and starts going up, and right now we can have this resistance as a support here, okay. It's true that it didn't completely touch it, okay. It's okay that it is near, okay, it is near that level, that's okay. And also, something that you should know is we have this trend line broken to the upside, showing that the market can go to the upside, to actually signals to entering buy position. The first one was this support here, and the candles on this one, like this pin bar here or this one here, and the second one is this trend line which is broken to the upside, showing that the market can go to the upside. In bigger time frames like daily time frame, if we check that, we have another resistance. Let me go to the weekly time frame that we can see better. We have these resistances in front of the price, this resistance here, another one here, and also the most important one on this level of 29.8 to actually 30.2, okay, somewhere like that. And it is all about today's analysis, and make sure that to put your stop losses, okay. Never forget to actually set a stop loss, because trading without a stop loss is exactly like a gambling, okay. There is no difference between gambling and trading if you don't put your stop loss. Just if there is one point that separates these two jobs, actually I don't see gambling as a job, but if you want to separate them, you're gonna say trading has a stop loss but gambling doesn't. So don't forget to set a stop loss. And it was all about today's analysis of silver or XAGUSD. Let's go to the next part, the education part, and see the 3 days ago's positions too, and see what happened there. Guys, if you didn't like the video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel to get more daily crypto and forex analysis. Also make sure to watch my short analysis of actually different coins and pairs of crypto and forex analysis. On the first position of actually silver 5-minute time frame, I actually trade on 5-minute and 1-minute time frame. I just rarely go to the 15-minute time frame, and I don't trade in bigger time frames like 1 hour or 4 hour or daily. That's just analysis for you. Me myself, I do trade in 5-minute and 1-minute time frame, and that's because that gives me lots of positions that I can make, like 4, 5 or 6 positions every day on any chart, okay, I open, and that's nice. On the first position we did have this trend line, okay, with 1, 2, 3 touches. On the fourth time it was broken to the upside here. We could risk here and enter buy position. Put your stop loss below the candle or somewhere safer here, and look for risk to reward 2 or RR2, which it gives us something around 5.5 on here on that candle. And it doesn't mean that we should take all that 5 reward here, okay. Some people close it here, some people close on risk to reward 2, okay, and some people wait and take it all, okay. But there is something that imagine you didn't close your position here waiting for something like risk to reward 7, okay. It comes down, the price falls and gives you a reward of actually 3.5, okay. That's about that. Sometimes you actually close it by chance somewhere here, and sometimes you don't, but the standard risk to reward is risk to reward 2, which you should actually exit the market I recommend to close your position or half of your position in actually risk to reward 2, and put your actually stop loss in your entry point like this one. Look, when your position gives you the target 1, okay, risk to reward 1, put your stop loss where it was here to your entry point. In that case, you are not gonna lose any money if the market returns, okay. This is a fantastic, rules for your trading. Actually, when you are trading, you can use them and make money with them. On the second position, we did have this trend line, which it was like this at the first look. You connect this one to this one, and it gives us here, when you see that shadow there, you extend it like this one, and it is broken here, okay. We have the chance to enter sell position, put our stop loss up of the candle or somewhere safer like that, or even very safer up there. Something that you should know is, if you put your stop loss here, okay, that's okay, you are actually making your position safe, okay, but you are making your risk big, which makes your reward actually smaller, okay. That is what you should think about it when you are putting your stop loss. I don't recommend to put it in a very risky place or put it in a very safe place. Put it in the middle, that you can actually have something standard, okay, and it gives us a reward of 4 on this support here. Also, you can see there is a support here where the price was falling and touches this level and starts going up, okay. So this is a level which we can trust on that, and for the future actually reactions on that, like this one, we can enter buy positions on this green candle here, put our stop loss below the candle and look for our reward. Also, we can wait for a trend line like this to happen, which it was like this at the first look. You see this like this at the first look, waiting for this candle to break out of this to the upside, that we can enter buy position, okay. But it makes a shadow. When you see a shadow out of the trend line, you extend the line until the that shadow, okay. And you can see it is broken here. We have the chance to enter buy position, put our stop loss below the candle or somewhere safer, and look for our risk to reward 2, which it gives us our reward something around 4 on this resistance here. On the trade 4, as you can see, we had this resistance, okay, where the price started going up and touched this level and started falling 2 times, once here and second time here again, okay. So this is a nice level for the price to actually see it as a resistance. And if there is a reactions like this one, 2 pin bars, one here, the second one here, and we can risk on them and enter sell position like this, and it gives us a reward of actually something around 10. And as I told you before, it doesn't mean that we should take all that 10 reward, okay. Some people close it here on trade reward 5 or 5.5. some people close it on risk to reward 2 somewhere here, and some people have the chance and close it somewhere here, okay, like 10. And it is really nice to take actually risk to reward 10. It means you can lose 10 positions in a row, okay. You're gonna lose 1 actually when you are risking, okay. You're gonna earn 2 and even more than that. That is what makes our account positive, okay. And we had another breakout here. Also, we had another here with 1, 2, 3 touches. Actually, it was broken here on the 4th time. It was we did have the chance to enter sell position, put our stop loss above the candles, and it gives us a reward of 6. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video and this part. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And also, if you liked, you can leave me a comment and ask any questions you like. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.